What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you something called the Snap Assist, which was introduced in Windows 7 and remade in Windows 8 and brought back in a better version in Windows 8.1 and then brought back in a really good version in Windows 10. So I am going to be showing you some cool features about the Snap Assist. You might have used the Snap Assist before, and you might have not. You might have heard or you might have used it, but you don't know what it was called. But now in this video you would know what the Snap Assist will be called. It will be called the Snap Assist, and yeah, or Snap. It's just called Snap, not Snap Assist. It's called Snap, but I like to call it Snap Assist because everyone calls it that. But anyway, let's go into the video now. So, this might be a really quick video, but yeah. So firstly, let's open up something, Google, yeah. Snap Assist, you've seen me do it many times. Bring it to one side, it brings like this little box, and then you let go, and then you can put whatever else you want. Or you can just click in the empty space to get out of it. Like, so you just have half of the page for desktop and half of the page Google. Or you could bring the Google side a bit bigger, like that. You could make it full screen, and now you can go exit out, or something like that. So that is one feature. So like it's really helpful for like making, if you have a lot of apps open, you can just Snap Assist it to that. So yeah. And you can bring it down here. If you try and bring it down here, it's not going to minimize. If you bring it up here, it's hard to see, but there we go. It's going to full screen. Sometimes you just got to let go before you do anything. So like, if I let go right here, it's not going to do anything. But if I let go right here, it's going to do something. If you see a box pop up like that, you see a box, then make sure to let go of your mouse. So all you're doing is dragging the top to wherever you want, to the side. I have my laptop on the screen, so I can't actually do that. So yeah, I can just bring it to the top here to full screen. And if I want to minimize, I can't do that. I have to actually come in and minimize. I can't actually go down here to minimize it. It won't let me. And yeah. So yeah, that's like the basics of the Snap Assist. There's not really anything cool anyone needs to know about. Like, anyone knows that, you know, you're like, Ariane, this is the most useless thing you've ever taught on your YouTube channel in the past month, man. What is this you're teaching us? Okay, so you're gonna be thinking, what the hell is this you're teaching us? This is like the easiest thing anyone's done. Some features people won't know. So like, for example, I'll bring the file explorer. You never knew you could have a quarter of the screen like this, and then you could have what? Let's just open PowerPoint up. Hurry up, PowerPoint, no one cares about that. Okay, thank you. You could have half of the screen. If you want to have like a quarter of the screen here, 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 you can. So like if I snap it here, wait, let's open up some apps real quick. So Excel, Word, and Mail. Sorry, not my way up. Mail. Yeah, Mail. What the hell? What am I saying? Mail. There we go. As you can see, it's really hard to organize this. I have another video of organizing files. I think that was like, I don't know how long that was. Like, that was like 3 days ago? 2 days ago? I'm not sure. By the time I'm recording this, it's probably 3 or 2 days ago. I recorded that, and it's like called the task view. It's down here. But I'm not going to show anything about that because that's another video. Go watch that, man. I'm not going to tell you anything. So, I want to bring these. Wait, how many apps? Here, wait, what the hell? Where did you come from? Okay, thank you. Alright, so now I'm gonna bring this to one side, that the PowerPoint to one side, and another one to the other. I'm just gonna minimize these two because they're getting super duper annoying. I'm gonna get PowerPoint and bring it over to here. As you can see, the box pops up, but you may be thinking, now that the box pops up, if I let go, it's gonna cover the File Explorer. But if I let go, it's gonna cover the File Explorer. But you can always come up here, make like a quarter of the screen here, and then you could make, I don't know, you could make this a bit smaller as well. So you could do it like here, come here, thank you, up a bit, there we go, and then now you could have this half. You gotta make them a bit smaller. They're usually recommended for smaller apps like File Explorer. So like if you can see this feature, it will mostly work with like apps that are small and you don't need to see everything. So like you can do this now, and then you can bring mail up. Then here we'll make thingy a bit bigger, and then we'll get mail here. Oh my gosh, no, it's gonna mess up. And then as you can see, it's gonna be quarter of the screen this, quarter of the screen that. It's gonna be pretty cool. And you could, but this feature always works best with small apps, and yeah. So for example, now for example, I'm gonna show you another feature on the Snap Assist, which is the last feature I'm going to show you. Where did everything go? Oh my god. Jesus, man. Okay, there's everything back. Wait, okay, there. I just minimized everything and just minimized everything. That was super weird. Okay, so now I'm going to show you here. I'm going to close like 2 of these apps away. So we just have 2 left. I have 2 File Explorers. Why not? There we go. Alright. So why does everything keep on minimizing, man? Stop minimizing everything. Why is everything minimizing so much? There we go. Now, for example, we want for example, I'm gonna say I want this app to be on the right. All we have to do, instead of dragging our mouse over there, all we have to do is press the. You have to obviously select it, so we have to select the top or wherever here. We have to select it, then press the Windows key and then the arrow keys on your keyboard or laptop like keyboard thingy. So it's Windows. Oh my god, stop. Windows key and then arrows, and then it'll go to that side, and then you'll see the thumbnails will appear, and then you can immediately select these, and it'll go bang. And then you can make this smaller, and you can make this bigger, or you can just close out like I am about to do now. And that is gonna be the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share